warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aaleyah mahira. I am from 7.1 and my attendance is 1. Today I would like to talk about a topic in mathematics called proportions. So what is proportions? In simple words, proportions is a comparison between durations that are equal. For example, if you say 2 is to 4 as 3 is to 6, that is a proportion. In maths. We can write it as 2 comparison with 4 is 3 comparison with 6, or using fractions 2 or 4 is 3 or 6. Both sides are equal because 2 divided by 4 is 0 and 5, and 3 divided by 6 is also 0 and 5. So we can say they are in proportions. In real life example, proportions is not only just something we learn in school, we use it is in a real life too. For example, is cooking. If a recipe for 2 people needs 1 cup of rice, how many cups we need for 4 people? We can set up proportions. 1 cup is 2 people, is X cups is 4 people. We solve for X and we get X is 2 cups. So we need 2 cups of rice for 4 people. Maps and scale. On a map, 1 cm might represents 10 kilometers if 2 cities are 5 centimeters apart on the map. How far are they in real life? We can use proportions. 1 centimeter is 6 kilometers. So 5 centimeter is X kilometers. So for X, and X is 5/15. The types of proportions, there are 2 main types of proportions. The one is direct proportions. When one follows increase, the also increase. Example, the more hours you study, the better your result usually. If 2 hours give you 70 marks, 4 hours give you 114 marks. That direct proportions. The 2 is inverse proportions. When one value is increased, the other is decreased. Example, the more people working on a job, the less time it takes to finish. If 4 people can finish in 6 days, 8 people might finish in 3 days. How to solve proportion problems? Let's say you have these proportions. X is 3 and X is and 12. To find the value of X, you can use cross multiplications. X is a times with 20 is 3, a times with 8. So 20x is 24, x is 2. Cross multiplying is one of the easiest ways to solve proportion questions. Why is proportion is important? Proportion is important because it helps us compare the different quantities, scale objects up or down, or like resizing image, solve real-world problems in science, engineering, art, and finance, and improve logical thinking and problem-solving skills. So it can conclusions. To sum up, proportion is a simple but powerful concept in mathematics. It helps us to compare things fairly and solve many practical problems in everyday life. By understanding how radius and proportion works, we can make a better decisions whether we are cooking, traveling, designing, or doing business. Thank you for listening, and I hope you now have a clearer understanding of proportions. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.